Hey everyone, Jordy from FocusWorks here, and this is the first episode of The Road to Blade West. That name may not stick, I don't know. It is what it is for now, but for now, it's The Road to Blade West, and this is the first episode. I am a 7th generation machinist. My family were before there were machinists, my family were blacksmiths, so machining and metalworking, it runs through my blood. I live and breathe for this stuff. When I was 10 years old, I wanted to build a knife, like every 10-year-old does. And so my I played and worked in my grandfather's shop my entire life, so I got a old file from my dad and went to work on the grinder, belt sander. Making that blade was one of the highlights of my life. I can still see it, I can still feel it, I can still smell the grinding and the steel coming off. I can still feel the heat from it. Yeah, one of the highlights of my life. It never got finished, like a lot of 10-year-olds' projects. And but it's always kind of bugged me. So this last year or a few months ago, I guess it was a few months ago now, I helped my son make his first knife from my file, and that just made the knife making bug set in me again. So here we are, 2019, and I've got tables at the USN show in Vegas and Blade West in Portland this year. So what better excuse to make my first folder? So, and I'm going to take you through the entire process. That'll be design, production, finishing, maintenance, machine maintenance, whatever seems interesting to film, I'm going to film it, and plan is to have a new video every week. Couple of design criteria. This knife is going to be a folder, it's going to be a frame lock, and it's going to be an Arex. If you follow along with me regularly, you know Arex is the flashlight that I make. I'm going to put a picture up because I forgot to put an Arex on my bench in front of me here. So I make the Arex, and it has a dragon skin texture. Here's a pen. I don't know whether you may or may not be able to see that, but it has texture. And this dragon skin texture is the hallmark of the Arex line, I suppose you can call it. So it's going to have that dragon skin texture worked into the finish, worked into the scales somewhere. So yeah, follow along every week here on YouTube, and come and find me on Facebook as well. I do a live video every day at 5 p.m. Pacific, give or take. Follow along with Facebook. Follow me on Instagram. I'm Focus Machining and Design on Instagram. I'll put links to my Facebook and Instagram down below. Follow me there, and you'll see up-to-the-minute updates. I try to post stuff every day. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss, and have a great day, and thanks for watching. Oh, I thought I would take you for a shop tour before we get finished here. So watch the shop tour, and then thanks for watching. So I thought I'd start at the front door and work our way in. This is my it's a wood lathe. I use it for polishing mostly. We'll scroll around. Material storage, my old bandsaw. Nice old drill press. This is my Okuma lathe, my big lathe. Swing around. My Haas mill. It's the mill that started it all. There's my baby lathe. And my baby, my Kitamura. I love that machine. Wander through here, storage. There's my heat treat oven. Polishing, grinding, welders, messy office, electrical and air compressor. So that's that. Have a great day. Like I said before, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.